and we are headed to get a car rental. Follow me. So we are in downtown Dubai. We're heading to the hotel. It's not very far from here. We just left the airport, and I'll see you later. Just admiring the beautiful buildings. And I can't wait to go to what do you call that?
The Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa.
Tallest building in the world.
Beautiful. That's the tallest building in the world. How many stories?
I think more, 120 something.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, I see Port Said. Is the mall so far from here?
No, not really. Maybe 10 minutes drive from here. Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm with my niece, Nini. She's my tour guide. She's taking me around.
Hi, my name is Grace. I work and live in Dubai.
Yes.
And this is my auntie. She came to say hi, so I'll take her around.
Thank you. There you go. Like keep left, what is that?
200 meters.
Okay, thanks. It's amazing.
This is Sheikh Zayed Highway.
Oh, Sheikh Zayed. And who was Sheikh Zayed? Oh, he was the founder.
He was the
founder of
the late
In 2 kilometers, take exit 50 onto D71 toward the Dubai Mall.
So this round thing is the Museum of the Future. It's called the Museum of the Future.
Oh, wow. So what is inside? Do people go in?
Yeah, we can go in.
Yes.
Just look around.
I think he's feeding the... Is that a shark? Yes. Wow. This is the Egyptian waterfall. It's inside the floor, on the ground floor. And you can see the like people they are swimming. We are just right next to Dubai Mall, and guess what we have right there? The tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. A lot of people they call it Burj Khalifa, others they call it Burj Khalifa, but to me, it's the tallest building in the world. This is amazing. Dubai is amazing. At night here there are waterfalls dancing around at night. The lights.
Yes.
Also amazing. And if I get some time, I might pass by tonight. I have classes in the morning. I don't want to mess up those classes, so I want to sleep a little bit earlier. Yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to give a little bit touch of Dubai. Hello! We are still in Dubai, not very far from the catering area. That's where we are heading for. I hope you'll enjoy my catering and the classes too.
All the activities that are happening on the floor and in the restaurant, inside the kitchen, is all related to heritage. Mindset of cooking. The first thing that goes in your mind is appetizer. Simple in its form. It is made with all-purpose flour, salt, and water.
Man, welcome to the little kitchen of our chef over here. Okay.
I mentioned earlier on that this is a Michelin star awarded restaurant, and this is how we welcome our guests.
This is amazing.
Wow.
I've been crowned.
Today we are cooking baleelat. It is a sweet, savory spice meal that is well known in this Emirate region and the beyond. So we have the rice vermicelli here, and I measure it in 100 grams. This is a cardamom. This is a food color, lemon yellow.
Okay.
A vegetable ghee,
Okay.
a rose water,
Okay.
a sugar of 30 grams,
Okay.
sliced almonds and pistachio, and a saffron thread.
Wow, this is healthy. This
Yes.
is a whole healthy breakfast.
And we have the shakshuka here. And a shakshuka is a combination of a tomato sauce with bell peppers and onion.
Take me slow.
I'm taking you slow. I will make it very slow for you. This is how we got it. Wonderful. Amazing.
Thank you, Chef. Let me try it.
Great. The food color, which is the lemon yellow, half of the spoon, and drop it inside there. Yeah. Perfect.
So what is inside the roast water?
Roast water is a processed water that is made to its perfection.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel the
Gently drop, but don't break it. Gently, just put everything. Put everything inside. Yeah. Gently mixing it without breaking it.
Because we have the
That's fine, yeah.
okay.
A little bit more cumin.
Like that?
Yeah. That's perfect. And then salt. A little bit.
Like that? Or a
Yeah.
little bit?
Yeah. Perfect. Mix it. Keep it, drop everything inside the strainer there. Everything.
All of it.
Yes, all of it, and you can put little bit water upon the top and little bit water in the bowl, mix it and put it there inside the. You want to add anything, any spice? Salt, black pepper,
Yes.
love spicy,
I love spicy.
drop everything. Saffron threads.
Everything?
Yes. And mix it gently, very gently mix it. Very gently mix it. And allow the salt to melt. Yeah, sorry, the sugar. Yeah, sugar will go inside gently. That's perfect. Okay, put it down. Yeah, cover, keep it covered. Keep it covered. Okay, and then drop it gently to make it in a circular form. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you've done it so fast. That's perfect. That's perfect. It's okay.
Hey guys, how is everything going? this is delicious. I haven't eaten it, but it looks delicious. It
Smells
the
amazing.
smell. So my kitchen is all messed up.
No, it's fine. That's how cooking goes in our kitchen. Nice.
It's like a garnishing. Just a little.
Give it to him, he's gonna send it to your table.
Oh, thank you.
Cardamom powder, saffron powder, yeast, and on the water.
Nice.
So it has no sugar. We use the date syrup to garnish it.
This is beautiful. This is downtown Dubai. We are in Abu Dhabi right now. It's the largest mosque, and this is my niece right here. She's the one who brought me. And behind is my brother-in-law in the scene.
I'm here.
Hey Yvonne, do you see all these roller coasters? Look at that. Huh?